Okay, the next one we're gonna do is a 3-hit combo. It doesn't really have a name for it. It's just a combo that I made up, but it's a great exercise to use, and it's a good way to start your form or a good way to end your form, okay? So let's go start from here. 1, cross, out, and catch, okay? So let's break it down. What I'm doing is I'm hitting my shoulder, okay? I'm crossing, okay? It doesn't matter what side you have crossed. You want to have your right side on top or your left side. I like to have my right side in the inside and my left side here, okay? I'm gonna hit, I'm gonna lean into it, roll my body, okay? Come out, swing all the way out into the catch. Now from here, what I'm doing is I want to make my nunchuck look like it's flat, a flat spin out, okay? So 1 strike, all the way to the catch, and you want to have a good stance standing up straight, okay? So once again, from here, 1, across, catch, okay? So break it down one time. On your shoulders, come across, lean into it, okay? You can either step forward with your foot, step forward into it, 1, and then step together. Everything must hit at the same time. Step, catch, and hit all together. So 1, 2, come across. You can look and you can do like a block up, bam, spin, block, spin, punch. Okay? Those are good ways to start a form, or you can end it. Ayah! Judges. All right, so that's gonna be a 3-hit combo. 1, 2, 3.